best friends? It's your girl J to the A to the Y, and I'm back again with another freaking hair review. So y'all, I am working with this brand called UNice again. Y'all know the platinum blonde bob that I did probably about a week or two ago is from UNice as well. So I decided to switch it up and do another color from their bob collection. This is a 7x5 by knots unit. It is pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-everything. Y'all already know, except for it did not come curled. This one was straight. I did like a messy bedhead type of look because this color is giving me old money vibes. Like, it's giving me, like, I don't know. I don't know. Like, I like it, and then I'm like, I don't know. I feel like it's like a clock. I feel like it's a cosplay type of color on me, but it's super cute. The hair is super, super, super soft. I'm not getting no shedding, which is crazy for this level of toner. I'm thinking about adding some brown roots. Actually, I'm going to do this with y'all right now, just to see if I can add just a little bit of dimension. Yeah, like just a little dimension. But again, y'all don't have to do this if y'all don't want to. I just want to show y'all this is 100% glueless as well. Like, do y'all see that? And honey, baby, she's blending, and I think it has to do with like the color. I cannot stop running my hand through it because I'm telling y'all, like, it just, I don't know, it's just super cute. It's super different. But if y'all want to see how I got this installed, y'all want to know all the information about this. This is 12 inches by knots. I think it's in the color Ash Blonde. But I have everything that you need down below in the description bar. Thank you, UNice, for sponsoring today's video. Let's get straight into it, and I love y'all. Yeah, and we're back. So I just want to first say that, honey, this review was supposed to be out. Baby, I've been working, okay? I've been working. UNice, I'm sorry. Thank y'all for working with me, baby. Thank y'all for allowing me the opportunity to take my time, okay? So, y'all, first of all, when I seen this wig and I took it out the pack, I said, baby, I don't know what I'm finna do with this color. I don't know. I feel like I need to go in and add some roots to it because the color is not bad. I just feel like with it not having no roots on it, it's really hard to see its full potential. So, add me on Instagram if you want to see how I revamped this unit. I just did not have time to do it in this review, but I got y'all. If y'all hear anything in the background, it's my puppy dog, okay? He wants to play, and he knows when his mama is about to work, and that's when he want to play the most, okay? But yeah, y'all, so right here, I'm just playing around trying to see exactly what style I want to go to with this unit. I felt like a middle part would have been cute. I felt like a side part would have been cute. I just didn't know. So as I was sitting here and hot coming, I said, you know what? Because I'm pressed for time and I wanted to do 100% glueless unit. Y'all, me and my puppy dog playing. I'm sorry. This is so unprofessional. I was like, you know, honey, I got stuff to do. I had to go to chip practice this day. I was like, I want to do 100% glueless unit. So with that being said, I went and I was like, I'm just going to try a style that I've been wanting to try. So right here, you just see me hot combing it. And like, the more that I look at it, the more this color is growing on me. I just feel like, I don't know, like, I just need to play around with it a little bit more to kind of get what I want. Like, the color job is toned to perfection. It's just me. Like, yeah, I feel like I don't know. But anyways, so I was like, I'm gonna do some French bangs with a bob. And I did not go in and cut anything on the side, so again, this side would ate a little bit better if I had a little bit more time. But I just wanted to see how fast I could get this unit done, as well as, you know, going on out the door. So you're going to see me cutting some French bangs right here. And you're going to see that I did a little too long. But in order for me to cut it to my desired length, I'm going to tell y'all, cut longer than what you want, curl it, and then cut it again. Because if you cut it, when you keep cutting and you don't bump it, when you bump it, it's going to be shorter than what you want, okay? That's just a pro tip. UNice is known for the quality hair that they provide. So y'all already know, honey, I knew that their hair could take a beating. I knew that I could play around with it. And their lace is top tier, hands down, one of the best lace on the market. So if you haven't, ever experienced UNice, I'm telling you, if this unit is not the unit for you, that is fine. They got so many different wigs and variety on their website. Like I said, I'll leave all the links down below so you can go take a browse. Any wig that you're thinking about getting, UNice has it. If you're not familiar, I also link down below the wig with the ash blonde that I did from them as well. That wig, baby, is the wig that everybody stop me and be like, oh my God, girl, your hair, your hair, your hair. So, listen, I'm telling you what I know. Right here, I was like, I'm going to put some curls in it. As I was curling it, I was like, yeah, I don't know what I'm going for. I don't know what's going, but we going to ride out with it. Like I said, honey, I was pressed for time, and I said, baby, she got to get done. So we just went ahead and did what we had to do. And y'all gonna see, honey, it actually came out real cute. I'm not gonna hold you. One thing about me and two things for sure, baby, you got to know that I'm not finna go around looking any type of way, baby. I'm gonna pull it together because that's what all I know how to do. So right here, I'm using my wide tooth comb, and I started to get a little upset with myself because I seen how good this hair hold a curl, and I seen how good it curl. I was like, dang it, I should have did some retro wave, like a middle part retro wave, because that's what I said I was gonna do in the first place. But no, I want it to be different. But it's okay because, like I said, add me on Instagram, because I'm going to show y'all exactly how I take this wig from this to Gel Nail 5, because I can't let a wig beat my tail. I just can't. Overall, y'all know I got to keep it honest with y'all and keep it fucking daily. Overall, this wig, the quality of the wig, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. The color of the wig, for me and my skin tone, okay, for me and my skin tone, I'm gonna give it like a 5 out of 10. Now some of y'all might be like, okay, Jay, it's cute on you. Some of y'all might say, girl, you can pull off anything. I'm gonna say, baby, you got to be comfortable in what you're rocking. And this one, I actually did wear it out, but I'm gonna be honest, like I said, for me, I just need some roots. I need some roots on it. I need some dimension, some depth, maybe a little highlight, So that's what we gonna do, okay? We gonna do it. I can't say it again. You already know what I'm gonna say. Add me on Instagram, girl. I went in and I added some concealer to define the part, and y'all gonna see, honey. You can see the potential of the wig. You can see how the curl hold in the hair. You can see that UNice hair is some good hair. You can see all of that, with the style that I did. All I'm saying is, honey, we just gonna have to try it again, okay? So right here, I said, yeah, that style wasn't giving what I needed to be gave. So I went ahead and combed it all in, and I went for a big Hollywood glam. And this is the final result. So like I said, add me on Instagram if y'all want to see how I flip it. But yeah, baby, thank you, UNice. See y'all in the next.